Hey, welcome to the family. Let me show you how you can make the Vitelli family cappelletti. Let's kick it off with the ingredients. You're going to need a half a cup of Pecorino Romano cheese, 4 room temperature eggs, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, a can of tomato paste, cinnamon, flour, 1 pound of ground beef, nutmeg, a shot glass of either oil or water, salt, and pepper. First, we're going to make the filling. Heat up some olive oil in a pan and put the beef in. Break the beef into small pieces and season it with salt and pepper. Then add in 3/4 of the can of tomato paste. Mix it thoroughly. Add in your cinnamon and your nutmeg. I used freshly grated nutmeg, but you don't have to. Next, add in your breadcrumbs and mix until combined. Then add in your cheese and do the same. Once it's mixed, add your egg and stir quickly. Then pop the filling into a bowl and into the fridge to chill while you make your dough. Start out with 2½ cups of flour on a clean surface and add 3 eggs into the well you've made inside the flour. Take a fork and whisk the eggs while grabbing more flour from the edges of the well. Once it's combined, it's time to start the process of kneading the dough. You may need to add water if the dough is too dry. I used about a whole shot glass. If it's too sticky, gradually add more flour. Knead and knead and knead until you form a nice ball. Now that your pasta dough is made, it's time to get shaping. Cut your dough into slices, then put the rest of the ball to the side in some plastic wrap. Squish the cut slice a bit and feed it into your pasta machine. Once your dough is rolled out, cut the dough into small sections. Take a small pinch of filling and roll it into a ball. Take some water and put it on the edges of the square to help it stick shut. Fold the pasta over and then press the edges. Pick it up and wrap it around your finger to make a little hat shape, known in Italian as a cappelletti. Then repeat the process over and over again until you've run out of dough, and you can freeze any leftover filling for a later time if you're just making a small batch. Put all the cappelletti on a cookie sheet and start boiling a pot of water with a pinch of salt. Place all the cappelletti in a pot and start to boil a separate pot of chicken broth. Once the cappelletti float, give them an extra minute or 2, then strain and add back to the chicken broth. Serve with some Pecorino Romano or Parmesan cheese on top, and you've made the Vitelli family recipe of cappelletti. And as my poppy always says, manja manja!